This game is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge. Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which makes it difficult to convey your thoughts. It
Yeah.
takes about 20 seconds to say 280 characters, and that's your challenge, which
Mhm.
is to explain to us social samosa in 20 seconds. But it's not that easy. You also need to use one emoji and one hashtag in your tweet. Got it? Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. So at Social Samosa, we bring the advertising and marketing community together with a hashtag Samosa Bond, and there is no samosa emoji, but then I think that is something that we're working on to make it a movement. I did it in 10 seconds, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah, solid,
Yeah.
solid stuff.
Yeah.
We're all gonna now petition for the samosa emoji.
Every year on World Emoji Day, I feel that we should be doing that. I've seen brands doing it for biryani and all of that, but I think Nickelodeon or Viacom can join us in that movement because they have something with samosa character. So maybe both of us could pitch it together, like
Very
a
interesting.
petition.
Yeah.
And given the size of the Indian market, I think most companies should start
Should
doing.
look at it. Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think samosa is not an Indian thing that way, but yeah, the origins of samosa is not Indian.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yeah. So samosa comes from Middle East somewhere. I remember there's this like a YouTube video that I saw from Ranveer Brar, the chef. He actually demystified that samosa is not Indian. Essentially, it started somewhere else and then it came to India.
Very
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah.